We've been hearing about the evolution of AI for some time. Finally, something unbelievable happened. That's where ChatGPT comes in. We spent a long time learning copywriting. We have created a lot of content. But ChatGPT can make a great sales letter in seconds. With this, even people who haven't studied before can now use the same skills as me. So what should we do now? Will we lose our job? No, it's not. We can acquire new knowledge. If you can learn how to use ChatGPT effectively, a more interesting world awaits. By all means, please start ChatGPT now. From now on, the great reversal of ordinary people will begin. Right now, we are collecting information on ChatGPT in the United States. If you are interested, please visit our YouTube. Click like if you enjoyed this video. And subscribe to our channel. We love Japan.